Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today is freestyle, and I have chosen to do an outdoor nautical tablescape. So here I have the starfish, some blue flowers, some seashells, my tier tray with little signs that say sea and sand, the beach, a little whale, and even some flip-flops. Now, I had ordered all these from Amazon, all the little signs. And there's even a beach chair with a beach ball in it. I just think this is so cute. I had ordered those last year. And I also added a nautical table liner and a striped table liner. Here's one with the seahorse on it and some more seashells. A little cupcake holder with a little faux cupcake. So I'm trying to give you a view here of the table runner with all the seashells on it. That was Amazon as well. And I have a navy blue napkin as a placemat, a blue wine glass, and a blue napkin as well. And there's the striped table runner as well, and some beautiful blue flowers. A close-up there of my faux cupcake, Amazon. So I thought I'd do something different today. So I dressed up this table outside, and I wanted to give it a nautical look. And I have these blue chairs. I just have 2 of those. And I'll even take you over here to some snapdragons that I have here in this really big, beautiful vase, and my yellow Julia Child roses. Aren't they beautiful? My beautiful yellow roses. So here's another look at the table. And I put this together very quickly. That plate had some sea turtles. This candle has some sea turtles on it. I believe I picked that up at the Cracker Barrel gift shop, the candle. And there's a crab there on the plate. The nautical plates all came from Amazon with the turtles, the sea crab, the seahorse, and the starfish. So I thought this turned out really well. Let me know what you all think. Be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a kind comment and a like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.